Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from SafePal to Cash App. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. So of course, SafePal is a cryptocurrency wallet that primarily deals with storing and managing various cryptocurrencies. On the other hand, Cash App is a peer-to-peer payment service primarily used for transferring fiat currency, such as US dollars between users. Now, given that SafePal deals with cryptocurrencies and Cash App deals with fiat currency, there isn't a direct way to withdraw money from SafePal to Cash App. However, what you can do is convert your cryptocurrency holdings in SafePal to a currency, and then you can transfer the fiat currency to your Cash App account through a process involving a cryptocurrency exchange and a linked bank account. So the first thing you're going to want to do is of course sell cryptocurrency on an exchange. So you want to use an exchange that supports the cryptocurrency you hold in your SafePal wallet. Sell your cryptocurrency for fiat currency, such as, for example, US dollars on the exchange. Once you've sold your cryptocurrency for fiat currency, withdraw the fiat currency from the exchange to your linked bank account. And make sure the bank account is the one that's also linked to your Cash App. Now, if you haven't already, what you're going to want to do is link to a bank account that you withdraw your fiat currency to Cash App. This process typically involves verifying your bank account by providing the necessary information such as your bank sort code or routing number. Once your bank account is linked to Cash App, you can initiate a transfer from your bank account to your Cash App balance within the Cash App interface. And once funds are in your Cash App balance, you can then go ahead and use them to make purchases, transfer to other Cash App users, or withdraw to your linked debit card. Now, please note that there may be fees associated with selling cryptocurrency on an exchange and withdrawing fiat currency to your bank account. Additionally, since cryptocurrency values can fluctuate, be mindful of any potential changes in value during the conversion process. Since financial services offerings and integrations can change over time, it is a good idea to check with both SafePal and Cash App for any updates will change to the services that may in the future enable more direct transfers. So that's basically how you can withdraw money from SafePal to Cash App. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.